recording.
Oh yeah. Oh, hello!
I can't seem to get you in. What's happened to my hood? I've got an orange hood on. I'd take that one off, I think. That'll do.
That'll do.
Right, well, we're here. And where's here?
We're at Newstead Abbey.
Well, you can see it's just behind your head, look.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
So where are we?
We're at Newstead Abbey.
Wait a minute, there's a car. But where are we?
After that car's gone.
Yeah.
So today we're at Newstead Abbey. We haven't gone away this weekend in a motorhome because Eunice stopped play.
We were booked on Castleton yesterday, and I had to call them, and she said, "Yeah, I'm glad you've called. It's so windy here." She said, "It's quite unbelievable." So we just took the sensible decision
To not go.
to not go.
Yeah. And there's more winds forecast tomorrow as well, so we kind of figured we'd just come out for the day somewhere local to us, Newstead Abbey. Let's go take a walk around Byron's country estate.
Byron's Creek. Whatever it's called, I don't know what it's called. We've been here quite a few times over the years as caravanners.
There's a big rally field, which is I can't get my bearings, but it's somewhere to the left.
The house.
Yeah.
Or the Abbey. We go about 50 caravans there, so we've been a couple of times. We've obviously never vlogged whilst we've been walking around, so we just took opportunity today to just get out and get some fresh air, to be honest. But it was snowing on the way. It was about 2 degrees, and it's just stopped. It's brightened up a bit. It's still cold though, isn't it?
And apologies for the wind.
I haven't got wind. Yeah, it's certainly fresh, but it's all right. It's all right. So yeah, there's the that was a rally field we used to go on. We used to get about 50 caravans on that.
Is it? Because it says it's a lake.
Oh, oh my word. Oh, no, you're absolutely right. Let's take 2. So look, there's the lake. It's one of those sniffly days, unfortunately, today. So do excuse me. I'm still not finding Byron's Oak, though. Oh, I think that's it, over the top of the building.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, that's obviously probably the Abbey fascia, or what's left of it. Yeah, it's pretty impressive. Lovely building. That's a nice, what do we call it, a cedar tree? Some kind of.
You might be right there.
Cedar, yeah, there you go. Please do not climb this ancient cedar tree. So I think that's the oak, look. I'll get both in shot. So we've got the sign and Byron's Oak. It's got to be Byron's Oak. You know, is it that dead stump on the floor? Is that Byron's Oak? This is the back side of the front of the chapel that we could see earlier. Boatswain, boatswain. That's a born in Newfoundland. Actually, let's maybe just wait and see if it just stops spittering. Do you have a picture? Oh no, I can't do a picture because it's on a video. But that's alright. That's no big deal.
I need to put up my glasses.
Oh, I've got nothing.
It's got no sunshine here. We need to go in the sunshine.
Quick, let's go. Wait. Wait for me. No, wait for me. Are you ready?
What?
Well, I think we need to jump to the sunshine.
Oh, right, okay.
You ready? After
right.
3.
Hang on. Hang on. We need to say, there's no sunshine. Let's go find sunshine.
I thought you said after 3.
Alright, hang on. There's no sunshine here. Let's go find the sunshine.
After 3. It's there after 3. Oh my word.
Yeah, ready?
Yeah.
There's no sunshine here. Let's go find the sunshine.
Let's go.
1, 2.
Sunshine!
Sunshine!
Columns.
Yeah.
I guess it was just some fancy place to walk after dinner.
I so thought that said something else then.
Deep silt. Yeah, does look a bit. I thought you said deep.
Yeah. So it says on here that Lord Byron, he used to swim in this lake. He used to go swimming in there.
Yeah.
But it's not safe to do it anymore because the water's not safe now.
No.
But they used to keep 6 naval ships on here and used to do mock battles.
What, little ones?
Yeah, no, proper, like it says proper 6 naval ships.
Or just small size ones?
But I don't know.
They can't be full ones, can they? 'Cause
So this is, I don't know if you can see that. You will be in a minute. So that little stumpy thing over there.
we're not talking at anything of me, we're talking about not my little finger.
So that is all that remains of Byron's oak tree that he planted when he was 10 years old. We thought it was that huge, great big tree. But it's not. It's actually the little bit of stump. Can you see it? Just there. We was impressed for a little while.
Yeah, yeah. Right, it's on the right beauty now. Wow. I've had to hide my camera in my coat. Clouds are really low. It's about 2-3 degrees. I'm surprised it's not snowing. But I'm just making my way down to this waterfall that comes down from what must be the top lake. So anyway, I'll turn you around. so you can see it.
It looks nice and slippery, fantastic and all.
Ducks on leave. I think it's been a cracking walk round.
Absolutely.
A lovely break in weather after a snowstorm on the way here. We've had sunshine out, and it's just dropped cold though, hasn't it?
Yeah.
Did you get a view of the lake?
Yeah.
That's good.
Yeah. I think that was the lake where they did the battleships. Because she showed.
That makes more sense.
Well, yeah.
Rather than that little lake down there. You ain't gonna get much of a battleship in there, are you?
So that's us about done. We hope you've enjoyed Newstead Abbey.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. Well, especially if you've lasted all this time and managed to get to end at video, because if you haven't, you've missed all best bits. Thanks for joining us. We'll catch you next time.
See you later.
Over and out.